I'm Michael Howard, Granite Mountain Countertops. Been in business since 2009, and it's been a fun journey. We get to do a lot of really cool, fun things. Wasn't always that way, had to cut our teeth doing stone out of the back of the truck, to now we've got a 16,000 square foot facility in Bozeman and a 14,000 square foot facility in Billings. So we cover a 200-mile radius from each location. And so scalability is big, and that's probably my favorite thing about LPI products and the lasers is, one, it's easy to use. Your templators can get up to speed at least 70–80% of the way within a couple weeks, and it doesn't take too long to get them all the way where you want them to be. What's really cool is we've actually been part of the LPI family since 2011, and so as LPI has grown, we've grown. It was so exciting and so scary. I actually got into digital templating we did before we were even doing any sort of digital work. We didn't have any automated machines. We still had a Yukon and polishing by hand, all of that. And so what was great about being in that was it was a much easier transition when we did go digital with our machines. And so we started out in that in 2011 with the laser templater, the LT55. We went digital on our machines and bought our first automated saw, which was a Parks Fusion, in 2016. And then we've just scaled from there. The 2D, 3D came along. We got into that, loved it. It sped up the process, and then we've just continued to grow. And now what's really cool and exciting is Raptor. And we're having a lot of fun with that. We're learning a lot along the way. And I think what has really been cool with that is how we've been able to integrate more of our process and more of the different aspects of our company, from not just templating, but programming, all into that same cloud-based system. And so we're looking at the same thing. When each person's done what they need to do, we know it's done, and we can see it real time.